So here's where I'm at. I got the belt on, did the chain. So we're all set with that. I got the thing all measured out for 30 inches down to where the bottom of the tire will be. I was going to do the triple tree suspension fork, and I came across the deal of a lifetime. So, like the Minarelli, I have the front chopper type straight fork here, and the actual mounting brackets did not have any of the holes tapped. They're all drilled and stuff, just not tapped. And I was like, oh, okay. And I look at the price. It was $20. So $70, $20. So there was 8 of them listed. I think the listing was up only a minute. And I bought it, and I went back like 5 minutes later, and the other 7 of them were gone. So apparently I wasn't the only one that was like, oh god, let's buy it. So last time we had this big discussion, actually, when I used one of these on an aluminum frame. Alright, this is cast iron, and vibration between aluminum and cast iron are not friendly. It will eat through the frame at some point. So last time, what I did here was I took a piece of copper, just like so, and what I do is, here's one done, I put it in here, and I took that socket and the hammer, and I seat it so that it sits nice and flat. I'm going to mark this all the way around with a pen, cut it, and then I put it on the frame. The soft copper will act as a vibration damper between the aluminum and that. So, you know, if this wears out or gets eaten into, I throw it out, make a new one. Last time this worked like a boss, and I had really good results, so I'm going to cut this and I'll get back to you in a minute. When I'm done, I end up with something like this. I know a lot of people try and put rubber and stuff, and that's really not a good idea because of the vibration. But this is a nice solid fit right against the frame, tightened down, works great. But yeah, this rough cast iron tends to eat the aluminum. I mean, any steel on aluminum does. You want to keep them tight so the vibration, you know, doesn't occur. But this is a little buffer, so when it's on, it, you know, won't screw up your frame. So just something take into consideration. If you're gonna do this, take these like aluminum, something soft, a non-ferrous metal. Alright, got that all mounted up today. We're, like I said, I'm waiting on the fork. I bought one for 20 bucks, just like the Minarelli over there. It's not tapped holes, which is great. I mean, who cares? It takes me 20 minutes to do that. So just so you could see, because I had some people ask why the hell I had such a wide crank. I have a CVT off the side of this, and this clears perfectly now. And then it clears perfectly on that side. And that way I have my pedals out around the engine. You're not like super uncomfortable. So that's why I extended the extended crank. I do have a video on that. I welded it and then heat treated it to harden it again, because otherwise it would just bend. So, you know, just keep that in mind if you do something like that. Here is the old handlebars, actually, off the red one. It's old Huffy handlebars from like the 70s. Stainless. I hooked it to that, widened out my tip, gutted that pipe. So it's all just look, but it's a straight run all the way out. So yeah, these were the wheels I made a little bit ago. I put all the yellow spoke covers and stuff back on it. I think I'm going to be really happy with that smaller sprocket this time, because last time I had a 44, and this was a beast to pedal if all shit went to hell, you know? So, anyways, got the gas tank all hooked up and stuff. I'm actually going to fire this up a little bit later, make sure everything's running, because I haven't run this in almost a year now, that engine. So I got the banana seat back on. And then, you know, the clip-ons are about yay here, so this is a fun build. It's just crazy. But anyways, alright, peace out. Come on. Guys, there she is. Just need the fork.